Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. Kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and support us and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as in when we upload videos. In this lecture we are going to see this is a continuation video of previous videos. We have recently we have discussed about TNEB AE part 3 question paper 2008 question paper. We have solved from 65 to 101 in previous videos in 4 parts. In this video we are going to solve and discuss the remaining problems from 102. So if you are not watching our previous video, kindly check with the playlist. Now we go into that video, start the session. Problem number 102. If there are n routers from source to destination, total end-to-end delay in sending packet P, where L number of bits in the packet or transmission rate, 4 options are given. The correct option is option 2, n into L by R. To find out the n to L delay in sending packet is nothing but n into L divided by R. Next, 103, problem number 103, the best mode of connection between devices which need to send or receive large amounts of data over a short distance. Best mode of connection between devices which need to send or receive large amount of data over a short distance. Over a short distance we need to send or receive large amount of data. 4 options are given. Option 1 bus, option 2 serial port, option 3 parallel port, option 4 isochronous port. For sending or receiving large amount of data over short distance is nothing but option 3 parallel port is the correct answer for this problem. Next, move on to the problem number 104. What is that? 104. If the channel is band limited to 6 kHz and signal to noise ratio is 16, what would be the capacity of the channel? Capacity formula C is nothing but B log 2 into 1 plus S by N. This is the capacity of the channel formula. Channel capacity is nothing but B log 2 log base 2 into 1 plus S by N. What is given? Band limited to 6 kHz. B is nothing but 6 kHz. So 6 into 10 cube log 2 into 1 plus S by N. Signal to noise ratio S by N is 16. So what we will get? 6 into 10 cube log 2 17. 1 plus 6 17 can be written as, when we simplifying this, what we will get in terms of base 2 can be written as approximately it is equal to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. Here log 2 17, it is approximately equal to 2 power 4. So log 2 base 2, this will come to the for example the basic logarithmic formula. What is that? Log A power B is nothing but B log A for any base. This is the basic formula. So 4 will be multiplied by this 6. What we will get? 6 into 4 is nothing but 64 into 10 cube. What is remaining here? Log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is nothing but 1. So 64 6 into 4 24. Here 24 into 10 cube what is this? Log A base B. It is approximately equal to, we are taking only for 16. 2 power 4 for 16. For 17 it is a little bit increasing, so it is given in kilobits per second. So 24 point some 74 kilobits per second to 10 cube kilobits per second. So option 2 is the correct option for this problem. 24.74 kilobits per second. Next, move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? 105. For a 10 megabits per second Ethernet link, if the length of the packet is 32 bits, the transmission delay is given in milliseconds. This is a star marked question in the TNEB value. So for any options they will give you they given us mark, they given us 1 mark. So we will solve which is the which one is the correct option. For 4 options also wrong here. We will solve one, find out which is the correct answer for this problem. What is nothing but transmission delay. Delay is nothing but the bits given, bits divided by 32 divided by 10 megabits per second can be written as 10 into 10 power 6. 32 divided by 10 is nothing but 3.10. When it is go to the numerator, what will come? 3.10 microseconds. So 3.2 microsecond is the answer. If they are given as in milliseconds instead of milliseconds, if they were given as microseconds, this will be the correct answer. So they made a mistake, I think. They made a mistake in this unit. So 3.2 microsecond is the correct solution for this problem. Next, move on to the next problem, 106. What is that? 106. Let a signal x of t is finite and non-zero outside the interval ta and tb. Finite and zero outside the interval ta or tb, where ta and tb are finite. The region of convergence of the signals for bilateral Laplace transform is 4 options are given. First option, a parallel strip containing j omega axis, a half place containing j omega axis. Third one, the entire S-plane. Fourth one, the parallel strip not containing j omega axis. Option is the entire S-plane. Given finite and non-zero, the region of convergence ROC will be in the entire S-plane. Option 3 is the right option. Next, move on to the next problem. Next problem is 107. Let a signal x of t 3 cos of 10 pi t plus cos of 30 pi t is sampled at a rate 20 samples per second and reconstructed using a ideal low pass filter with cutoff frequency of 20 Hz. The frequency or frequencies present in the reconstructed signal is 4 options are given. We need to find out the which frequencies is present in the reconstructed signal. What is given? The signal x of t is given. We have to find out the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is nothing but 30 here in case of 10 pi and 30 pi, 30 pi is the maximum pi. When we 30 pi divided by 2 pi, this is cos omega mt. Cos omega mt. When we finding out fm 2 pi fmt, so when we finding in the fm divided by this this fm 30 pi divided by 2 pi, we will get 15 Hertz. 15 Hertz is the maximum message signal bandwidth, maximum frequency. Next, what is given? Fs is sample signal frequency 20. Fs is 20 samples per second. Samples per second is nothing but 20 samples per second. Next, what is given? Ideal low pass filter with cutoff frequency 20 Hz. Cutoff frequency Fc is 20 Hz. We have to find out the which of the frequencies will be present in the reconstructed signal. How to find out? The formula is NFS plus or minus FM. NFS plus or minus FM. Substitute N is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. We will find out and substitute for Fs and FM. We will see what are all the frequencies will be present in that reconstructed signal. When N is equal to 0, this term will get 0. Plus or minus Fm is nothing but, so plus or minus 15 Hertz will present for N is equal to 0. For N is equal to 1, see what is the cutoff frequency? It is a low pass filter cutoff frequency. So up to 20 Hertz only. 20 Hertz is the maximum frequency. Up to 20 Hertz only it will allow to pass. Otherwise it will not allow. So check with the cutoff frequency 15 Hertz. So it will present. This 15 Hertz will present when we substitute. Then coming to substituting N is equal to 1 here. 1 substituting 1, what will we get? Fs plus or minus Fm. What is Fs? 20 plus or minus 15. 20 plus or minus 15. What is that? 20 plus or minus 15. 20 plus 15 35. 20 minus 15 5 Hertz. write the unit also. 35 Hz and 5 Hz. 35 Hz will not present because the cutoff frequency is 20 Hz. So 5 Hz will be present in that reconstructed signal because it is 20 Hz. It allow below the cutoff frequency only. So 15 Hz will present, 5 Hz will present for n is equal to 1. Then substitute for n is equal to 2. 2 into Fs plus or minus Fm. 2 into Fs is nothing but 2 into 20, 40, 40 plus or minus Fm. Fm is 15. What we will get? 40 plus 15, we will get 55. 40 minus 15, what is that? 40 minus 15, we will get 25. Both frequency is 20 Hz. Both are above the cutoff frequency. So, it will not be present for, and this frequency will not be present. So, what is present? 15 Hz and 5 Hz only present. So, the option 1, 5 Hz and 15 Hz will be present in that problem. 10 Hz we will not getting any 10 Hz here. So, 15 and 5 only present. So, option 1 is the right option for this problem. Next, move on to the next problem. 108. Transfer function of FIR filters will have 4 options are given. It has only zeros. Transfer function of FIR filters will have only zeros. Next, move on to the next problem. 109. If x of n is equal to 1 by 3 modulus n minus 1 by 2 n power n u of n, u of n is common for both, then the region of convergence of its z transform in the z plane will be, region of convergence is given. So, we have to find out the region of convergence for this problem. What is given? Modulus of n. Modulus of n is n for n greater than 0 minus n for n less than 0. This is the actual definition of modulus of n will be n for plus n for positive values of n, minus n for negative values of n. So, we will expand this x of n as 1 by 3 n u of n for positive values minus n less than 0 na. So, plus, this is a plus sign, 1 by 3 minus n for n less than 0. What is n less than 0? u of minus n minus 1. n less than 0. It is delayed by minus sign. So, minus n minus n. Then move on to the half power n u of n. It is simply n. So, what is the, in general, we'll see in general for what is the ROC of a power n u of n. ROC is ROC is nothing but mod z greater than a. For minus a power n u of minus n minus 1 is nothing but ROC is z less than a. This is the general expression for finding the ROC of the, for a power n u of n is z greater than a, mod z. Take this mod z. For minus a power n u of minus n minus 1, for ROC is mod z less than a. So, by applying this over here and find out the answer, what is that? 1 by a power n u of n is nothing but, in case of a, what is here? 1 by 3. So, mod z, what is the ROC for this term? For this term, ROC is, I am writing the ROC only. ROC is nothing but mod z greater than 1 by 3. For this term, what is the ROC? 1 by 3 can be simplified. I will simplify here. 1 by 3 minus n can be written as 3 power n. 3 power n into u of minus n minus 1 is nothing but, for this term, what is the ROC? Mod z less than 3. For u of a power n u of minus n minus 1 is nothing but mod z less than 3. 1 by 3 minus n can be written as 3 power n. For this term, what is the ROC? A power n u of n is nothing but mod z greater than 1 by 2. This is A here. So, we have to find out the ROC by clubbing all the ROCs. What is the range between these values? So, it is in the range of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 less than mod z less than 3. So, it is the mod z between z greater than 1 by 2. Z is greater than 1 by 2 is obviously it is also greater than 1 by 3. So, there is no need of representing it. If it is greater than 1 by 2, which means that it is also greater than 1 by 3 also. So, 1 by 2 lesser than Z lesser than 3. So, Z is greater than 1 by 2 and lesser than 3. So, 1 by ROC is in the range of 1 by 2 and 3. So, option 2 is the correct option for this problem. Next, move on to the next problem. 110. The impulse response h of t of a continuous time linear time invariant system is described by h of t is equal to e power at u of t plus e power bt u of minus t, where u of t denotes the unit step function. A and b are real constant. This system is stable if both all options are given. Will solve, and which is the for A and B are positive, where A is positive, B is negative. Here A is negative and B is positive. Both A and B are negative. We will solve and find out which option is the correct for this problem. What is the stability? Stability for if the system is stability condition for impulse response is nothing but modulus of h of z less than infinite. What is given? E power a of t. For a continuous time, what is that? It is in the range of minus infinity to plus infinity. It should be in the range of minus infinity to integral over minus infinity to plus infinity. Here h of t is equal to e power a t u of t can be written as integral 0 to t, because u of t is equal to 1 for n t greater than 0. Here what is given? U of minus t. U of minus t is 1 for t less than 0. So, integral 0 to 2 e power a t dt 0 to e power infinity. I am writing over here. E power a t u of t is nothing but integral 0 to t is 1 for t greater 0 to infinity plus integration e power bt. Bt is u of minus t. So, minus t is nothing but minus infinity to 0, t less than 0. So, minus infinity to 0 e power bt dt. So, it is the general integration formula e power at divided by a into 0 to infinity plus e power bt divided by b into minus infinity to 0. When we solving, what we will get? I am solving here. 1 by a is a constant, take outside. E power at e power infinity minus e power 0, e power infinity. In place of infinity, we will substitute. In place of a, substitute infinity minus e power 0 plus 1 by b into e power 0 minus e power minus infinity. Which one? Stable should be in the, what is the stability condition? It should be less than infinity. It should be h of t should be less than infinity is the stability condition for the impulse response. So, e power in general e power 0, what is the e power 0 equal to 1, e power minus infinity equal to 0, e power infinity is nothing but infinity. This term is e power 0, e power infinity, what we will get? This term will get infinite. What we will get this term? This term e power 0 1, e power minus infinity is equal to 0, some constant with within the limits infinity, within the it is less than infinite, but in here term it is in the limit it goes beyond the finite value, it is infinite. So in case of what is that, e power b is a positive value. For positive values of b we are getting the finite value, so b should be positive. What we can understand, b should be positive. For the positive value of b we are getting the finite value over here. In case of positive value of a we are getting infinite value. So for the stability condition it should be a finite value, so we are getting the infinite. If in case if a is negative, in case, what we will get, in place of a substitute b here, substitute infinity here, e power minus infinity. So e power minus infinity, obviously we are getting 0, this term will get 0, so it is a finite value. This is not an infinite value, so a should be negative. For a positive value of a we are getting the infinite value, the system will be unstable, whereas in negative value of a the system should be stable. So for this b should be positive and a should be negative. For this problem a should be negative and b should be positive. Option 3 is the correct option for this problem. So next move on to the next problem. The same ROC region of convergence problem 1111. If the region of convergence of Z transform of x of n plus y of n is 0.3 less than mod Z 0.6, then the region of convergence of Z transform of x of n minus y of n is. So when we changing this sign will not affect the region of convergence. So we will get the same region of convergence 0.3 less than Z 0.6. Option 2 is the correct option for this problem. Next move on to the next problem 112, 112. How many complex additions are required to perform in a linear filtering of a sequence using FFT algorithm? How many complex additions are required to perform a linear filtering of a sequence using FFT, fast Fourier transform algorithm? Is nothing but 4 options are given. Option 2 is the 2n log 2n is the number of complex additions. Number of complex additions required. 2n log 2n is the correct answer for this problem. For if in case of complex multiplication n by 2 log 2n, but what is asking in the question, complex additions is the formula for 2n log 2n. Next moving to the next problem. What is that? A n-point discrete time sequence is passed through a n-point DFT calculator and its output is passed through another n-point DFT calculator. The output of the second calculator is. 4 options are given. The right option is the time reversed version of the input sequence. Option 2, the time reversed version of the input sequence is the correct option for this problem. In this part we have solved from 102 to question number 1, problem number 102 to 103. So I will end up this session. This session will be lengthy. It is difficult to watch. We will solve rest of the problem in our upcoming videos. So kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and support us and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications. Thanks for watching.